Okay, check out one of my favorite new little toys. It's very satisfying to open and to look at, but it's actually full of really important bits that you can use in tons of different situations. So it is essentially just a screwdriver end with a few accessories that I'll explain in 1 second because they're also pretty cool. But I have lots of different electronics in my house, all of which take really different ends, and just a standard screwdriver sometimes doesn't work, especially for the really small screws. So now you have hex screws, really tiny little screws, regular screws, just crazy amounts of different types of screw ends. And then you can actually take the screwdriver itself here, and it actually has an end that you can hold onto and twist the entire thing, which is a nice feature. And you can pick any one of these ends, obviously, and put them inside of the screwdriver. And this thing is also another thing that I think is super cool about this set. It has a flexible, adjustable end. So you can put this end in your screwdriver, you can pick whichever end you need here, and then you can turn this and still screw at an angle. So you can reach this thing into places where you normally wouldn't be able to take a screwdriver and use it like that. That feature alone, the combination between the bits and this bendy flexy part, is worth it in my opinion alone. So I'm never again going to struggle to find the correct end that I'm gonna need in whatever situation is put in front of me. I'm always gonna have the right end for the right project. This is something that I'm super pumped about having. It's something that I see myself getting a ton of use out of, and I've already used it a few times, and it is something that I would definitely recommend.